Right, so this thing is not sounding so good. Okay, first thing, well, plug it. You don't want to be working on this live. And for this repair, I just went down to the shop, grabbed my little EDC toolkit. This is usually the first line of defense when I've got something going on at the house. It's amazing how much you can actually get done with it. And then I also grabbed a little bag of bits so that I can use my impact driver. There we go. Also, coffee. That just brings us backwards. Take this off. Okay, now we got some screws up here and here. Now I'm 2 for 2 today. Here is, this needs to come off. This does this. Okay, now I've just got a few more screws and this whole front will come off. Got to do one there and then these in the bottom and then this one and this one. All these other ones we don't need to touch. Now when I put this back together, I'm gonna have to lay down. But for taking it apart, I can just reach in here and feel. Oops, except I can't get at that one. Get longer. My dauber. Therein lies the versatility of a kit like this. And then, I believe it's these two. Okay, and I think, yeah, there we go. I was gonna take this whole thing off. Boom! Oh yeah, there's cables under here, I think. So you see here, it actually has little hooks that it kind of hangs on. And then this, we need to undo. Just pull this little tab right there up. Now this will come out. Very carefully feed this. Come on, this. Okay. So the next things we need to do is take off these screws, and pull this whole front housing out, and then we'll be able to see which wheel on the bottom is making such nasty noise. So yeah, 2 screws on the side, 2 screws on the top, but you're gonna have to support this when you take this off. This is about I think this is the 3rd time I've had this thing apart. You don't need to take out this screw right there. Oops. I believe that's it. Obviously, we'll disconnect this. What am I attached to? There. So those are the 2 wheels that support the drum. One here, one there. Our felt here is looking good, so it's not that rubbing. And then when I spin this thing, it's not making any noise. Well, it is a little. Maybe we'll take the drum out. We're this close. It's not going to be hard. I've got to take this off. And then this is a bit of a pain in the butt because this is just going to want to fall down. Whatever, I'm going to leave it there. And then we just got to undo the belt. Undo that. There we go. So yeah, I like to just use the belt. Okay, so. Oh, I think it's this. This is very, very stiff. There it is. You can hear that. I have to get in behind there. Dryer tension pulley replacement. Oh, no kidding. You can get whole kits. New belt, wheels. So I found a place in this city that has a dryer kit. Now this mag tag is the same as a Whirlpool, and in stock, $50. So you get 4 wheels, belt, and an idler pulley. And the convenient thing is that it actually has part numbers here. So we can see if we can see those on the side of the wheels. It doesn't have a part number on it. W103-14171. W103-14171. Yep. I think this is it. Let's see. Store inventory. Calgary, 21 pieces. We're gonna go pick this up. It's very cold, but it is a beautiful day. All right. Picked up the kit, $50. Hope this is the right one. This is a bicycle grease. I think it'll work just fine. All right, I'm just gonna remove this little snap ring. Just a little bit of grease on there. So the next step of the process is we're gonna have to put in the drum, and I'm gonna have to lay down on the ground to do that once I get it. So I'm gonna get this out of the way. Sit, Ubu, sit. Okay. These are the big ones for the back. While I was out, I picked up a Milwaukee M4 screwdriver. Anytime you're doing a home repair, if you buy the tool to do the repair, the money you save from having somebody else do it pays for your tools. Okay. Excellent. Okay, now if we look here, we've got tabs. so far so good. Now, let's just plug this in. There we go. Okay, let's see. No squeaky squeaky. We fixed it. And it's dark outside. Welcome to Canada.